Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Driver got hit by instant karma after speeding and swerving in and out of lanes on highway.
He decided not to let me go. I was like, okay, so he got it. And a minute later, karma paid back right away.
Police reported ahead.
Запустить его на задней скорости не вышло.
How's your racing career, boy? Huh?
Driver of the red car got distracted and unfortunately struck a road divider.
Let's see before we go. We'll stay on this for a little bit.
Again, speeding driver gets served with instant justice. Grey car was turning left and unfortunately didn't manage to spot that black car was overtaking.
Oh, you can't.
After hitting a bus, driver got out of the car and simply walked away from the accident. This driver got into argument with ladies from Mercedes, which was driving in the wrong way.
You're going the wrong way. You gotta go that way. Go that way. Traffic goes that way. Fix it. You're going the wrong way. That's better. Wow, you're great at driving, aren't you? Grow up. Grow up! Yeah, it is that serious. You can cause an accident. So? And now you're standing in the middle of the street.
I'm here. Yes, and we will.
Now you're blocking traffic. Good job. Grow up. Grow up. Go. I'm not the one blocking traffic. Fucking idiots. Let's go.
Okay, your reminder is set for tomorrow 9 a.m. Okay, your reminder is set for tomorrow 9 a.m.
Dude! Holy shit! Okay, come on, fucking 911.
Truck driver almost made the accident by switching lanes without looking.
Jesus!
Holy cow. Holy cow.
Good job, you fucking idiot.
George, you're gonna get out of here!
Really?
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.